Bitcoin has been dumping towards the downside once again, filling up this Bitcoin CME gap. But you should not be getting fooled by this Bitcoin dump we are seeing right now. Because yes, on that larger time frame, we are creating a huge consolidation, hitting a major level of support. So we need to be talking about that exactly. A big breakout is going to be happening in the next few days. So can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's that short term. And yes, like we have been exactly talking about, well, usually during the end of the weekend we tend to see a big correction, and that is exactly what we have been seeing during this weekend as well. We have been exactly seeing a little bit of a pump during the beginning of our weekend. Now during the end of the weekend we have been seeing this dump towards the downside to be filling up that CME gap. So yeah, once again, perfect weekend price action playing out right now. But anyways, this Bitcoin dump, well, you should not be getting fooled by this Bitcoin dump right now, because in that larger time frame, well, Bitcoin is still just consolidating over here at the moment, still failing to be breaking above this level of resistance. So of course we have just gotten another rejection by this level over here. But eventually I do think that we are going to be breaking out. Now it doesn't really matter in my opinion if we are going to be breaking out towards the upside or towards the downside. In both scenarios, I'm going to be happy with a break in either direction, because if we are going to be seeing this break towards the downside, in that case, I'm going to be getting a cheaper entry in the market, and I'm willing to be opening up a Bitcoin long position if we are going to be getting this retracement. But of course, if Bitcoin is going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, then the market is really going to be flipping bullish, because at that moment we are going to be breaking our downtrend once again, or well, we are not going to be breaking our downtrend, but at least we are going to be creating a new higher low. And if we are going to be creating this new higher low, we can be seeing similar price action like we've been seeing over here, and we can be seeing new highs once again getting created. And in that case, I do think that we are once again going to be reaching new all-time highs if we are going to be creating that higher low, if we are going to be breaking this structure out towards the upside. Now that apex is going to be coming in on Wednesday, so we are going to be seeing this big breakout in the coming next 2 days. So yes, do be prepared for big volatility. Now anyways, right now still in that short term, nothing much is happening. It is still pretty much the same. We are still going to be expecting a massive new week that has right now been starting for Bitcoin. Be prepared for big volatility this week. Now this decision moment is going to be crucial. Anyways, yes, Bitcoin is still just consolidating between these ranges over here, and a break in either direction is going to be very crucial to be watching. And even in that larger time frame, well, Bitcoin is consolidating in an even larger range over here. But during consolidation, that should actually be the time where you should be preparing yourself for that next Bitcoin move, because always whenever Bitcoin has been consolidating for large periods of time, well, a huge breakout has been happening right after. So during this consolidation, this should be the time to be preparing yourself. Anyways, the Bitcoin funding rates are also still highly negative. The majority of the Bitcoin market is right now actually trying to short, which is a very good thing for the market, because whenever the majority is trying to short, that is just adding more liquidity on that top side, and that is just adding more fuel towards the upside. So yeah, a massive short squeeze could be inevitable right now, because the majority of the market is trying to short. Anyways, I'm definitely going to be getting interested in trading this breakout over here, either towards the upside right here, if we are going to be getting this break towards the upside, a clean breakout towards the upside, or if we are going to be getting these lower entries in, I'm also definitely going to be getting interested in opening up a long position on these lower entries. And guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, make sure to check out that link down below, because with that link down below, you can be getting a $30,000 US dollar deposit bonus. And on top of that, if you are using that first link down below, you can also be getting a $500 US dollar free trade. So make sure to go towards that first link down below, sign up a new account over on Bybit, complete KYC level 1, and there you go. You can be claiming a free position, which is absolutely amazing. Anyways, in that larger time frame, yes, Bitcoin is still just creating this massive bull flag pattern, this massive consolidation before the next move really is gonna happen. And if we are going to be zooming out even more, of course, Bitcoin is still creating this massive cup and handle pattern over here. It is right now trading inside of this handle of this bull flag pattern, right? And inevitably in the coming few weeks, we are going to be seeing this massive breakout. Now, if you are going to be zooming in towards our weekly candles right now, of course, we have just closed that weekly candle yesterday, and we have closed that weekly candle a little bit in the red, but I would say that this setup is still pretty bullish over here. We have closed a very bullish candle over here with this huge wick towards the downside. Now, right now, we are just seeing some consolidation, so we want to be seeing into we want to be having a look into this weekly candle close right now. Is it going to be closing in the green or is it going to be closing in the red? That is going to be ultimately very decisive. And I just think that it is going to be all depending on this symmetrical triangle over here. So anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.